Hi, my name is Ronnie Richardson. As a gospel music composer, producer, and sometimes a storyteller, writing songs inspired by faith, love, and the rich traditions. I am using modern tools, including an artificial intelligence music production studio. So stay connected, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share the message. You can find my music on Spotify and iTunes. I have some new brand tracks. Thank you, Lord. Victory belongs to the Lord. Mita entrega et in enter mundo den sumang. And my latest big release that is gaining many viewers on YouTube, Bisa Si, Bisa No. And I am already preparing for my Christmas release music of this year 2026. I have a new track also will be very shortly on Spotify and iTunes. The title Bing Bing Cristo Anansi.